Hey, what's going on, guys? Matt here from myrawintuition.com. Hope everybody out there is doing well. I'm just out on a walk out in the woods, and I thought I would do a quick video here and just connect with you guys. Let me know in the comments box down below, how are you guys doing on your raw vegan journey? Are things going good? Are you struggling with anything? Let me know. And I want to really start getting the content out there to help you guys make this lifestyle easy, attainable, successful for you, and practical, really. And so if you guys aren't aware, you can tune in on Instagram with me and my friend Jeanette over at Misfit Vegan here on YouTube and on Instagram. And we're going live every Saturday morning or Saturday at noon Eastern time, and we're doing a 30-minute topic discussion, and then we're doing a 30-minute Q&A after the topic that we discuss. And so if you have any questions or you want to just connect with us, definitely tune in every Saturday over on Instagram to my page and also to Jeanette's page, Misfit Vegan, and ask us any questions that you have, and we'd be happy to answer them and discuss them. And then also, I'm going to start doing a Discord discussion over on my Discord channel. And so that is going to be just another opportunity to connect with everybody, and you can ask me any questions that you have. We'll have a 60-minute just live discussion call. And so that's going to be over on my Discord. Get the link for that in the description box of this video. To just connect and see how everybody's doing, see how I can help you guys, and I think that'll be fun. So that's going to be every Saturday at right now I'm thinking 7 p.m. Central Time. I'm in Minnesota, so 7 p.m. Central Time, and we're going to start with that. And then we'll just see how it goes, and we'll, adjust the time if we need to. But that's what I'm thinking. So, yeah, things have been really busy lately for myself. I just published the 21-day Raw Transformation Program for Paperback, and that's available on Amazon. So you can get to that if you're interested. And guys, I'm really proud of this book. I really think that it is, truly the book that I wish I had when I started this journey, back in 2011. It really covers all the bases that I, needed at that point. But what I've learned over the last 11 years of making this diet practical, sustainable, healthy, all the things you want to make it a long-term thing. And so definitely check that book out. You can get the ebook version on my website. You can also get to the paperback version on Amazon through my website. So yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions about that, let me know. I'm actually working on getting 5-Star Digestion converted into a paperback as well. And so that should be available within the next week or two. If you're, somebody like me that enjoys having a physical book in my hand, I really feel that I learn better when I have a physical book and I can read just on paper versus reading off the computer or the phone. I'm not sure what you guys think about that. Do you learn better on the phone or on the computer versus a book, or doesn't it matter for you? Kind of interested to know. So that's really what I've had going on. Other projects that I've got in the works. I'm writing a few new books, and so just trying to keep my sanity, and I do that by coming out into nature. My discussion with Jeanette in yesterday's live Instagram session, we talked about how to make things on this lifestyle work when your life is crazy busy. And I think everybody can relate to having a busy life. So, getting out into nature is one of the best ways to calm the nervous system, to recharge your battery, and to just dissolve some of that stress that has been building up from all of, the things that are going on in our world today. Getting out into nature, grounding into, get your bare feet on the ground if you can, but just connect with that high frequency that is out in, around the trees, around, if you don't have a forest around you like this one, get out into the park, find just an open grass field, and get your feet on the ground. Hopefully there's no pesticides there, but, do the best you can. Get out, get some sun on your skin, breathe in that fresh air, and just relax. Let your stress dissolve out of your body. It's so important, and I think a lot of us forget to do that, especially in this technology-driven world where most of us, or not most, but a lot of us are working from home now. We spend a lot of times indoors, and so it's just super important to remember to get out, reconnect with nature, and just recharge your soul. This is where our soul feels the best, out in the elements, and I just love it. So anyways, I think that's where we're gonna end this video, but it's been nice connecting with you guys again. Definitely let me know how your raw vegan journey is going down in the comments box below. And if you have any other questions, of course, leave them down there as well. And hopefully I will see you guys on Saturday on Instagram on the Raw Misfit Show with Jeanette and I, and then over on Discord that evening. All right, if you have any questions, again, comments box below. I'll see you in the next video. Always follow your raw intuition.